Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to change a toner in an HP LaserJet Pro 500 MFP M525. Something very simple. Just come and press here and roll this down. Okay, then the toner is here. Just have to do this, pull it out, take it out. Then you get your new toner, you bring it in, put it in, you push it in. You can see these labels, they have to look up, right? Then you close. After closing, everything is going to be fine. To load paper, you can hold this and put paper here. Sometimes this is called a bypass sometimes, but this is just a second tray in case this first tray doesn't work or whatever, or something happened. But in most cases, people can use their printers the entire year and the 2 years and lifetime of a printer without knowing that most of the LaserJet printers, they have two paper trays. Okay, this okay, then this is the normal tray people use. You press here down, pull this up, then put in paper here. After that, you close. This machine also has a USB whereby you can, I guess you can say USB port here. You can put your USB here and you scan your stuff on the USB, print and all that. That's a good thing about this machine. It has a very beautiful white screen, you understand. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. Share this content, ask a question if you have some.